Second World War following Mary's request at the Fatima Heart of Jesus. The Immaculate Heart of Mary symbolizes herself and shows us the way to holiness. For the De Mesa family, devotion to the Immaculate Heart of Mary has been a source of light and guidance. It reminds them of Mary's unfailing intercession for all those who seek her Son, Jesus Christ. Nuestra Señora Inmaculada Corazón de María,
Ipanalangin mo kami. Are the participant of the roadside altars. Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario de Coloong, Nuestra Señora de Aranzazu de San Mateo, at the Plaza San Luis complex. Spanish sculptor Francisco Salcillo finished a painted wooden sculpture representing the Sorrowful Virgin, popularly known as the Virgen Dolorosa. This particular work is housed in the Iglesia de Jesus in Murcia, Spain, and exemplifies 18th century Spanish religious art, highlighting intricate carving, lifelike features, and a focus on devotion and contemplation. The Virgen Dolorosa serves as an object of veneration, especially during Holy Week, where her sorrowful imagery reminds the faithful of Mary's suffering and maternal compassion. This image is under the nest. According to legend, the image appeared to a hunter and survived attempts the 1991 Mount Pinatubo eruption. The second image survived, and her shrine continues to attract pilgrims seeking healing and guidance. Recognized for numerous miracles, she was episcopally crowned in 2013. The devotion of the Magsaysay family to Ina Poon Bato is a treasure passed on down by Mrs. Roslyn Magsaysay. For that it is Grand Maria procession in the year 19...
Nuestra Señora de Barangay is the patroness and unity. She watches, care, and interceding in times of need. Her presence inspires unity, faith, and devotion among neighbors. To honor and share the love of the Blessed Mother.